Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to read and listen at the same time on Audible. So for the current Audible experience, the feature you need is called Read and Listen, also known as immersion reading. So this simultaneous reading and listening feature is available in the Audible mobile app, not the Audible web app. So Audible's current help center says that you need both the Audible audiobook and the matching Kindle ebook, and the title must support Whisper Sync for voice. So here's how to fix that. First, you need to have both versions of the same book. So get the Audible audiobook and the Kindle ebook. So you need to have both versions of the same book. You need the Audible audiobook and the matching Kindle ebook in your respective Audible and Kindle libraries. The feature works with eligible titles that support Whisper Sync for voice. Next thing to do is to open the Audible app on your compatible mobile device. So the interface for the web app and the mobile app is literally almost the same. Okay, so just open the Audible app on your compatible mobile device and sign in using your Amazon account associated with your Audible and Kindle libraries. Now, from the Audible app, just go to library. Ensure it is done on your mobile phone. Like I said, the interface is almost the same. So go ahead and click on library on your mobile phone. And once you click on library, find the audiobook you want to read and listen to at the same time. You're going to find it here when you click on all or click on audiobook for you to find the exact audiobook you want to read and listen to at the same time. Now look for a title that supports Whisper Sync for voice. Ensure that the audiobook title that you're looking for, it has Whisper Sync for voice. Now, Audible says eligible titles can be identified by the Whisper Sync for Voice badge, and you can also use the relevant filter in your Audible library to find eligible titles. Now, select the audiobook to open its player. If the title is eligible and you have both the audiobook and matching Kindle ebook, you should see an option or toggle that allows you to switch between listen and read and listen. So this is Kindle. Ensure that you have your Kindle, and in your Kindle as well, your Kindle, ensure that you have the book as an ebook on Kindle. So once you check your library on Kindle, ensure that you have your book in Kindle. Kindle is different from Audible. All right. So while the audiobook is playing, look above the audiobook cover for the mode toggle. The mode toggle that has listen and read and listen. Now, Audible will then display the text of the Kindle ebook in the Audible app while the audiobook narration continues playing. So as the narrator reads the book aloud, the text will be highlighted and synchronized with the narration. You can now follow along with the words on your screen while listening to the professional audiobook narration. Now, this is particularly useful if you want to improve your reading comprehension, stay focused while listening, or follow along with the book as it is being narrated. If you want to stop reading and continue listening to the audiobook normally, you can use the toggle above the cover image and switch from read and listen to listen. So the audiobook will continue playing in the regular listening mode, and that's it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.